Pepper is one of the most consumed spice in the world. Everybody needs pepper even they are not spicy. So in this video I'm going to show you the complete procedure of making pepper, actually the black pepper and white pepper. So let's get started. Heavy rain and tropical climates mandatory for growing pepper. It starts to bear along with monsoon in South India, which is about on the starting of June and July. Then it would take another 6 to 8 months to harvest. In the beginning, the plant bears small flowers on pendulous spikes. Then the paprika will start growing. Within 3 months, it will reach its largest size. But another 4 to 5 months we have to wait for ripening the paprika, and when it starts ripening, then the next is harvesting. Handpicking is the most common method of harvesting. In the state of Kerala, the price of pepper would go up to $11 per kilogram in the season. And mostly in countrysides, people grow pepper in their surroundings, which is not only grown in the fields or orchards. People likely to grow pepper in their home garden or backyard. It's a part of their culture. Not only pepper is grown, ginger, coriander, and some sort of things also grown in their backyard and gardens. After collecting all the spikes, the first step is to separate berry from spikes, which is done by crushing them each other. This is one of the hardest jobs to do because each berry is precious and cannot be avoided. And before heading to the next step, mostly in the world, two types of pepper are consumed, the white pepper and black pepper. In order to make white pepper, it's mandatory to collect all the ripened berries and then remove the skin or outer layer of the pepper by immersing it in water and scrubbing each other. It would be crushed and powdered for cooking. After separating berries from spikes, then it is exposed to sun until the berries shrivel and turn dark. It would possibly be done within 2-3 days, specifically in summer. Vietnam is the world's biggest producer of black pepper, producing 160,000 plus tons per year, which is about 34% of the global share. Indonesia and India are the second and third producers of pepper, and Brazil, China in the fourth and fifth position. It makes billions of dollars throughout the world. Pepper or paprika is known as the king of spices, and it is the most important spice trader internationally. It was one of the earliest commodity traded between East and West. The pepper is grown mostly in high humid tropical area. In India, it's grown specifically in southern states, mostly from state of Kerala following Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, and in some eastern mountain regions known as Konkan regions. The plant would take a couple of years to grow and to harvest. The plant generally need to grow on other plants. Basically, it supports specific trees without branches. So growing pepper in a fountain type tree would help to grow faster, as well helps for easy harvesting. Let me tell you two major differences of black and white pepper. Black pepper is more strong or flavorful, or it gives more heat, but white pepper is mild in flavor and heat. So for more spicy dishes, black can be used, and the black pepper lasts for a long time and white for a short time. These are the major differences of black and white pepper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you wish, you can subscribe, and this is only a segment of this channel that's called Instant Meat. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.